Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face. I'll walk down the lane with a happy refrain, just singing, singing in the rain. We're going to learn Singin' in the Rain, and we have two chords, which is a C major, and that's on your first string, 3rd fret, 3rd finger. And then you also have your G7. So remember, you're going to use your 3rd finger on the 2nd fret, 1st string, 2nd finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and your pointer finger on the 1st fret. 2nd string, that's your G7. So let me show you what it looks like up close. Here's the C chord, sliding over to the G7, sliding back to C, and slide to the G7. I'm going to count to 4 and then we'll start together. So 1, 2, 3. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. Switch to G7. I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart. Switch to C, and I'm ready for love. We'll let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Keep going. Come on with the rain, G7. I've a smile on my face. I'll walk down the lane with a happy refrain, just singing, singing back to C in the rain. Easy song, 2 chords, C major and G7. And I hope you liked this tutorial, and please like and subscribe to my channel. And like I said, if you want a free copy of this chord chart, just go to my website, singplayukulele.com, and I'd be happy to send you one. Mahalo and peace.